Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with the DeLonghi K-Mix espresso machine, and it was brought in because it wasn't pumping correctly, and so we found that we actually needed to replace the pump and clean the brew screen. I don't even know what it was, but it was just really gunky, so we had to descale it and clean it and put it all back together, and now here it is working just fine, so let's test it. Shots running on the longer side. That's probably because our grind is a little too fine for this little machine. So we're gonna stop about here. The pump's been running. All right. Let's do some steam. Alright, let's open it up. This has a little longer too. There we go. As you can see, powerful steam. DeLonghi K-Mix working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.